dino to make them fall. Their hearts beat fast and they fell in love. Oh, what will we do? They looked apart. Dinos in a battle to save their love, fighting with their horns. Babies fell down. They need to go help each other to stand just right under the tree. They found an egg. A big trouble is there, waiting for the kids. Now see what's going on. Mommy Dino has come to save her egg. She said to someone nearby, hooray. The kids look so tense, they want to leave. Mommy seems angry, she makes them scared. The kids run away. They run and run to save their lives. Deep in the woods, they'll find no way. While running so fast, he steps on a stone. And he's flying so far, bumps on a tree. Hope this has an end. Oh, here comes the next big trouble on the way. But luck saves him right from the huge fall. They feel so safe. Have a tasty drink. It's a big adventure they had this day and had so much fun. Wow! Can I play with you? Of course! Let's play with Finger Family. Are you ready? Yeah! Let's do this! Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy Finger, what do you do? Watching TV, watching TV. Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Finger, what do you do? Cooking food, she loves cooking food. Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, what do you do? Reading books, he loves reading books. Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, what do you do? Play with toys, she plays with toys. Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, what do you do? I'm with her, it's so much fun.
Be careful, sweetie.
Yay!
Hey, let's have some ice cream.
Wow! Ice cream!
We Which one do you like?
I want strawberry and mango.
Here you go.
Wow! Yummy! I love ice cream, yum yum yum. E-I-E-I-O. I love ice cream, yum yum yum. E-I-E-I-O. Strawberry yum and mango yum. Strawberry, mango, chocolate yum yum. I love ice cream, yum yum yum. E-I-E-I-O. Woohoo! Do you want to join? Yeah, Daddy, can I?
Of course. Go ahead.
Wow!
Oh, wait. Wear a helmet first.
Oh, baby. That's not how you do it.
Huh?
First, stay steady. Now, start pedaling. Don't forget to sit straight and look ahead. Are you all right, sweetheart?
Baby, come on, try once more. Okay, I will do it this time. I love riding bicycles, E-I-E-I-O. I love riding bicycles, E-I-E-I-O. Give a ring ring here and a ring ring there. Here a ring, there a ring, everywhere a ring ring. I love riding bicycles, E-I-E-I-O. Yahoo! I did it! Then I'll let it go again.
sweetheart.
Good night, Mommy.
I'm a scary mosquito. I will suck your blood tonight. I will take your sleep tonight. Watch me, I'm the monster. Get ready. Attack now. Fight him. Suck blood. Bite your cheeks right now. Palm my foot from here. Hurt you with my sting. Look, I'm the monster.
You itchy mosquito! Go away!
I'm so dangerous, fussing with my wings, scaring you just like this, waking you up tonight. I'll catch you. Stay there. Squeeze you. Get out. He's very itchy, feeling scratchy, hurting his cheeks so much. Done with the monster bites.
Where is the mosquito? Is he still there?
Baby, haven't you gone to sleep yet?
A mosquito. He bites me so much. I can't sleep.
Get ready, let's start now. Kick him out the home. Start our mission over. Attack him with no time. Come on. Let's team up. Attack them. Right now. Let us scare. You got no choice. Time to suck your blood. We'll trap you here.
It was so scary. Shh. No more sounds there. Huh? Did they leave? I know how to get you out.
Mommy, help us now. Lots of mosquitoes hurting us more and more. We can't sleep tonight. Mask on. Attack them. Spray now. Go away. Smoke fills everywhere. I can't breathe this time. My head is spinning high. Oh, I can't see anything.
Oh no! My head is spinning! I feel dizzy! Huh? All the mosquitoes are gone! Mommy, you saved us!
It's okay, dears. You're safe now. No more mosquitoes. Now, go and sleep well.
Hey! Who? Yeah! Guys, the sport we are going to train today is